Hi friends, I am Krishna and welcome to my channel Krishna Mhaske vlogs. Friends, how are you? I think you are fine. Friends, in today's video, I will explain you a very well-known language, but we can't say it well-known language because slowly this language is not used in many of the countries, but as we can see in the scholarship exams or any another competitive exams, this language is studied. Friends, in today's video, I will explain you this language. Friends, this language is used for some special operations in army or any secret documents. Now, we will study the language, and the language is known as the code language. Now friends, we will learn this language. As you can see, I have made this copy. Now friends, you can see the first language. There is two types of language in secret code language. Now the first language is this one, which is known as ROT13. Now I will explain you this language. Friends, this language, the formula is that a letter is equal to a letter, but in this language a letter is equal to a number. Now we will see the ROT13 secret code language. Now friends, first we will write the letters A to M on this board in a neat form. Now we will write A to M, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Now we have written A to M letters on this board. Now what we have to do is we will make small arrows below them. Now like this. The first, here one arrow is there. Now we will, below every letter we will make a arrow. Now total, we will see how much arrows are there. It's not necessary to count all the arrows. Now friends, we have make arrows at the bottom. Now what we have to do is we have written A to M at the top. Now below all the arrows we will write, not all the arrows. Now when I will write, you will understand. Now this is M, the last. After that there will be N. Now we will start N from here. N, M, M, N, then below B there will be O. Every letter should be below the every letter only. It should be in neat form. And then O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and then Z. Now you can see this is the table of the ROT13 secret code language. Now friends, I will tell you that how to make a word with this language. Now friends, just for example, we will take the first letter, first word, cable. Now we will write cable. Now in normal language we will write cable. The spelling is K, E, V, A, and then L. Now friends, same this type of arrows we will make below these letters. First this type of line. Now we will make the arrows below K, E, V, A, and L. Now we have made the arrows. Now what we have to do is we will I will explain you that how to make the word cable in a code language, which can only the one person who knows code language shall read. But when any another person reads this language, he do not understands. Only the one understands who knows this code language, to which we send the letter of the code language or any secret things which are written in that letter. Now we will write the code letters. Now here is K, you can see. Now we will see that K is equal to which letter. Now we will find K. Now as you can see, here is K. Now we will see which letter is there below K. There is X below the K. K is equal to X. Now we will write here X. Now friends, another alphabet, there is E. In front of the letter K, there is E. Now we will see that which letter is equal to E. Now this is E. There is a arrow in front of E, and the arrow is showing us R, means E is equal to R. Now we will write here R. Now next letter L. Now we will see which letter is equal to, this is V. Then we will see which letter is equal to V. Now this is, we will find V. Now as you can see, here is the V. We will see which letter is equal to V. V is equal to I. As you can see, arrow is there. This is the I in top of V. Now we will write here I. Now next letter A. Now we will see which letter is equal to A. Now as you can see, A is equal to N. Now we will write N below A. Now we will see again L. L is equal to Y. Equal to Y. Now we will write here Y. Now friends, as you can see, in normal language we can read this, the word Keval. But in code language, this is the language X, R, I and Y. Only the one who to which we have sent the letter can read this. That's why this is called the code language. Now this is the Y. Now if you have understand that how is this ROT13 code language, ask me questions in comments, that please tell us that this letter code language is which. Tell me in comments. Now friends, I will write a question here. I will write a word in code language. In comments you have to tell me that what is the meaning of the code, not cold, it's code language word. Now I will write here F H O F P E V O R. Now friends, you have to take screenshot, and after that you have to understand that this word is equal to which word. This is the code language word. You have to tell me the original word. Now friends, the another language I will explain you. Now friends, this is the next language which is known as secret codes. Now the formula of this language is a letter is equal to a number. Now you can see this is the table. This one language is complicated than the before one. As you can see, this language was easy, but this is more complicated than this language. It's better, you can learn this language. Friends, I will show you the screenshot of this table on the screen and this one at the last of this video. Now friends, we will learn this language. I will write this table on this board. I have written this much. Now next I will write after K, L is equal to 11, M is equal to 2, then N is equal to 9, after that O is equal to 5, after that P is equal to 20, sorry, not 9, it's P. P is equal to 20. Next Q is equal to 23, and now U, no, not U, After Q, R. Now friends, R is equal to 12, S is equal to 7, T is equal to, now T is equal to 22. After that, U is equal to 25. Next, V is equal to 26. After that, W is equal to 21. X is equal to 13. Now at last, Y is equal to 16 and Z is equal to 24. Now this is the table of the next code language. Now friends, we will see this code language, how to write some letters with this language. Now friends, what we have to do is, I will write this at the top to make place. Now friends, if you have to write the word Krishna in this type of code language, first I will write this, the word Krishna, Krishna. Now I have written here Krishna. Now we will make arrows. As you can see, I have told you before this also. All the arrows are ready. Now what we have to do is, same trick. We have to see that this letter is equal to which number. Now first we will see what is about K. Now K is equal to 17. Now we will write here 17 and one comma, so that we can understand that this is a one alphabet. Now we will make all the word Krishna. Now R is equal to 12. This is the 12. Now after R, I. We will find I. Where is I? Where is I? Now you can see I is equal to 10. Then comma. Then S. What is S is equal to 7. As you can see. After S, H. H is equal to, as we can see, where is H? Where is H? Yes. H is equal to 3. Now after H, N. Now N is equal to 9. We will write 9. Then comma. Now the last letter A is equal to 6. Now friends, you can see this is also like the first of the language. This language, like we can see, we have to only see that all the alphabets, which alphabet or number is equal to that alphabet. Now our word is ready. If we send in later, we will write in code language the word Krishna. Then only the reader should understand that what is written here. If I want to write anything another secret language, it's easy to use this secret language or this ROT13 secret language. Now we will write the word ROT13 in code language. Of this one, as you can see before this, while the word I have shown you, cable word was there. Now I will show you ROT13, R-O-T, then 13. Now all the arrows we will make. Now R is equal to 12, O is equal to 5, T is equal to 22 and 13 is equal to X. This is the secret code language. Now you shall have understand that why people use this secret code language in some secret missions or any secret documents. This language is being used. Now friends, if you like my explanation, please like the video, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Stay at home, stay safe.